We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
Hi, today we will discuss about layer in SketchUp. In SketchUp, layers enable you to control the visibility of document content. For example, if you want to manage text separately from the entire SketchUp model, you place text on separate layer. Layer tool comes under default tray. If it is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in default tray under Window tab. You can create new layer using this Add Layer button. And delete the layers using this Delete Layer button. Before starting the drawing, you choose the appropriate layer from the layer list. Next, you want to change the layer of an object. Just select that object and go to Entity Box, Info tab. And here you can change the current layer of that selected object. You must turn on Color by Layer option in Layer box, otherwise you can't see the color of the layer you applied. In Layer box, you can manage visibility and color of layer. You can only delete empty layers in SketchUp. Otherwise, SketchUp will ask these three options at the time of deleting. Move content to default layer, move content to current layer, delete content. Thanks for watching this video.